Codex can create a new GitHub account.
Yay! Finally! But what is the GitHub?
So GitHub is a way so we could store our project files and save it online in the cloud, which is GitHub. But first, I want to create a new GitHub account. So the first thing we need to do is tell Codex, connect this project to GitHub. And then Codex is going to say, what email address do you want to use? What's the username you want to use? And what's the password you want to use? So it's going to use that information to sign up for a new GitHub account for you.
We used Gmail
That's right. So we used our Gmail account
because it's easier.
and
I forget the password all the time, so it's automatically login.
right. And so we typed in the email address, the username, and the password.
Username for GitHub.
That's right. And then right here it says that Panda AI is already taken.
Uh-oh.
So we said to use a different user ID instead.
Okay.
And then here it's saying that it needs to do an email verification to make sure that our email is correct. It sent the code into our email address, and then we took the code from the email address and typed it in back into Codex so that way it could log in. And then it asked us to authenticate to the device. So we had to open up this website and type in our device code. And once that is finished, we click done. And we'll show you how that works.
We typed the done.
Right.
Yeah. What are we doing now?
Okay, so once we get into this screen, we're going to say authorize GitHub. So let's click on that. And it says, congratulations, you are all set. Yay! So now let's go back into Codex. And then from here, we're just going to type in done.
Oh,
Okay.
wow.
And now we just say continue.
It's automatically changed the screen into the GitHub.
And then we need to type in the code that Codex had provided.
So don't say anything extra until their job is done, right?
Right. So we're just waiting for it to complete, and now it says it's connected. So now we're just going to open up the new repository, and here it is. So if I click on this, we see that it created this new repository for our project.
What is a repository?
A repository is a place where we could save the files for the project files that we're working on. So we just created a new repository based off of the Panda AI project that we created in Codex. when we create files in Codex, it allows it to save the project files into the repository in GitHub. So it's a
Oh, so
place
it's
to store the files,
gonna go
everything
in
inside the
there.
project.
Okay, pictures, the letters, everything, the color, everything goes there.
Yes, all the files go here, um, except for large files. Like if you make any video files and you save it into the Codex project, um, the video files are too large and GitHub will not accept any video files.
Yeah,
Okay, so now let's go back to Codex. Start here and say scaffold this new project to be a website for Panda AI. Yeah, so this is going to be for a new website. So that's what it's building now. And then it's going to,
just basic HTML
yes,
and CSS.
that's right. Ah, there we go.
Here we
So,
go.
so what you have to do is you have to click on this button, index HTML, and it's going to show you a preview, what it looks like, and it's just giving you something to start off with. But now we want to send it to GitHub, so we're going to say push.
Push. What's push?
So we want to push this website into the new repo inside GitHub.
Can we see in GitHub what it look like right now?
Okay, so let's take a look at GitHub while this is
Yeah.
working.
But we
So,
want to know.
so let's go to all repositories. And it says here there's no repositories yet
Well,
because,
it's connected. I thought it's connected.
well, we're connected, but it still needs to create the repository. And that's what Codex is doing right now.
Oh,
I'm pushing it to GitHub now.
yeah, put that all into the storage. So,
So now I could click on this link to take me to the new repository that Codex created, and it sent all the project files into GitHub.
This is all good for now.
Yeah, this is all good for now.
And
So let's go back.
you got a plan. So we hope you understand how to get into the GitHub. This is very important. If you have all the coding into the GitHub, you feel safe, right?
Right, it's going to back up your file for you in case something happens to your computer.
Yeah.
You don't lose all your work that you've done for your project, because all the files will still be in GitHub.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned for more.
Bye now.